Hey, welcome to a new video. In this video, I want to show you how we can use Codex from OpenAI to create images, videos, ads, and everything, and automate our social media channels. So, for example, I have this Instagram channel, and in this Instagram channel, all these images and videos have been completely automated. I didn't write any prompt. I didn't choose the time to publish them. I didn't do anything, and just ChatGPT or Codex in this case did everything. And the same that we are doing now with Codex, it's going to be possible to do it with Claude Code or Cowork. So to do this, we are going to be using the platform from videotok. And in videotok, we can automate all these creatives. So for example, all the creatives that we see here in the homepage have been created with videotok. I didn't do anything, and just AI did everything for me. So here you can learn a little bit more about the platform, how we can use it in Codex, in ChatGPT, and everywhere. If you want to use it, you can check in the box description to get a small gift to try it. So I'm going to go inside the platform. So once I'm inside the platform, I see a lot of static ads, video ads, social and UGC ads, and also every AI model. So we can go directly to the AI model and create with it. Or for example, here in the static ads or in the video ad, I can click in a category. And here I have like a lot of amazing things. For example, I have a lot of reference inspiration. So how this works is that I can pick any of the reference inspirations, and then I can prompt here what I want to do, and the AI will choose the reference inspiration to create something similar and in that aesthetic style. And that's really, really good. You don't have to worry about any GDPR or any AI testing of the images, because we are not sending any image to the models. We are sending them a description describing how the image needs to be, but we are not going to send any proprietary image to AI model, so you have to worry about it. But this is how you do it manually. Then we have another ways inside videotok. For example, we have the create agent button here, or also in the sidebar. So if I go to the agents, I will see this page. I mean, here we have like a lot of options where we can connect videotok to. For example, I'm going to choose Codex, but it's the same for the other platforms. If you click on connect, here you will see some instructions that you need to follow to create the content with the platform. For example, for Codex, I will copy this prompt. We can click also here, and then I will open Codex. Once we have Codex open, we just have to paste our instruction here and click on enter. In this case, I already did the login, but let's do it anyways. And once I paste the instruction that we copied from videotok, Codex is going to open a URL in our site. Once we have the URL opened, we have to click on approve. So that way we have done the login inside videotok, and we have connected videotok to Codex. It's quite similar in the other platforms. So you just have to follow the connect step. So here, for example, it says that already has the connection and everything. But in your case, a URL will open and you just have to click on approve. So now we can open a new conversation. I will say something like, using videotok, I want to create an image of real estate from a house in Ibiza. In that house, we have a swimming pool. Choose one of the reference inspiration images that you think is better. So basically here, I'm just saying what I want to create. Here, I'm just going to correct it to videotok. And then I just click on enter. And now Codex is going to do everything for me. It's going to go to videotok, it's going to select the best reference image, it's going to create the prompt, and it's going to generate the image for me. I will be able to see the image here in Codex. Once we have the image, we can ask to publish it on social media. So for example, I could say, once the image is generated, publish it to my Instagram account. Right? So here, for example, I'm just going to send the instruction. And here we see that he's using videotok, he's selecting the relevant template for the real estate. He found some real estate template reference, and he's going to select the best one and create the image. I have to go to videotok first. In the settings page, or here at the bottom where we have socials, we can click in settings and we can click on social accounts, and then we can connect every social account that we want. So for example, here I have Instagram connected, but we can connect TikTok, LinkedIn, YouTube, or Pinterest. Codex will be able to publish to those social media accounts. Also here from inside my media, so here I have other images and videos that I have created. If I open any image or anything, I have the publish section, and I can select to publish to this account and the post also. For example, here it says that has generated the image, and here I have the URL, so I can open it, and here we have the image. That's quite nice. And we have the whole image. I didn't do anything here. Now I'm seeing it also here inside videotok, and I can go here and see, okay, good for publishing to Instagram, publish run. So here, if I go to Instagram and we refresh the page, here we have the image. So the image is now published, and I didn't do anything here. And as we did this creation for our ads, we can do automations also with videotok using Codex. You just have to open the sidebar, and here we have the automation section. So in automations, for example, here I have automations. I can click on create a new one. We can do it manually or via chat. I'm going to click on manually, but basically here we just have to explain what we want to do. Let's say, for example, that we want to search online for the latest news in AI, and then we want to create slideshows, publish them to Instagram. So the prompt could be something like this. Search online for the latest news on AI, which are the latest advancements, which are the latest research, everything related to the AI. And then using videotok, select one of the slideshows references and create the slideshow with those latest news. Once the slideshow is created, publish it to my social Instagram account. So here I'm just writing which is the prompt that I want. So once we have this, I'm just going to make sure that this is correctly written. So here videotok. Then we can put an automation here, videotok. So this is basically a title. And then we can select, okay, when do I want to do this? So it's daily at 9 a.m. So if it's daily at 9 a.m., that's correct. And I can click on create. And that's basically how it works. If it doesn't let you to create it, you just have to select a project. In this case, for me, it's going to be chat. So if that goes to chat, and then we can click on create. And basically here we have our videotok automation. And every day at 9 a.m. it's going to do the automation for us. If we click on the automation, we can change also the model that we are using. So this is how you can automate your social media accounts, and you can think on every automation that you want to do. So this is videotok, AI agents in Codex. If you want to learn how to use it in other platforms like ChatGPT or Claude, let us know in the comments. Also, which kind of automations would you like to see, or any doubt you have with videotok. And in the box description, you will find that more present. See you soon.